still like it? Will you still like it? Is this thing ever going to start this thing on fire?
Do what?
Is it ever going to start on fire because it gets so hot?
Oh, Lord, no. If you can, you got to put as much pressure down instead of just letting it float.
Oh.
You got to give it some.
All right. Okay.
When you're doing that, but see, all you're doing is just screwing around right now.
Okay.
But give it some pressure.
Okay. Can you take that off and put that on again, please? And this button you gotta push back. It normally goes forward. Is it? Whoops, hot, huh?
Yeah. See, you just see what it did.
Oh, okay.
And then you pull it back and
It latched down.
and you put your belt on.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Well, that's just some friction. Here, hold this a second.
Not too bad.